Hello, welcome to Benjamin's Cooking Show. Hello everybody! Give me an applause please. Okay. Lily, please get me the stove, please. Right, coming. Just wait about. After taking the stove. There you go. I know it's a giant stove. Anyways, it's still portable for cooking. Oops, sorry. There you go. Is this bit? Yeah, I know it. Okay, let me get started. You'll need pieces of flour. Getting it. Here you go. It's all portable. Do not call me again. Okay, now we need a spoon. Spoon. Let's go get, it's a cup like that. Let's go get it. Okay, everything's all giant. Oh my gosh. Putting the flowers into the tub. Okay. There they are. In the tub. Okay. Let's put them right here. Okay, now we again have the leaves. Let's go get the leaves. Lily, remember to look at the time. Yes. Put them in there. There they are. Now, let's kick them. We won't cook the flowers first. Let's kick them after 5 minutes. Okay, lilies are done. Dring. Yep. Okay, take it down. Close it. There it is, all cooked. Now let's pick the flowers. Sprinkle everywhere. Sprinkle everywhere. One more. This dish is not for real life, okay? This is a cooking show of mine. There, see? Mix it up. There. Done right? Now, like salad. Mix it a bit. There. Done. Yummy, right? Lily, get the tomato here. Put in the food. Oops, sorry. I'll put it. Oops. It's about like 50. Oh my goodness. 50 Fahrenheit. That's too hot. Thank you, Lily. Welcome. I get the recipe for you. There you go. The recipe. Here's the recipe. It's all written in text. Okay, I'll tell you the recipe. First, you need this tub. Then you need the stove. You may need the recipes if you need the list. And you need flour. Ow, hot! And the leaves. Thank you for watching.